So today we're going to be doing a brand new challenge.
Okay, that's fun.
This is going to be a try not to make a sound challenge.
Okay. What?
I should just leave now.
The only rule is that there are no sounds allowed.
Oh, God.
You are allowed to talk in between the segments.
Okay.
And to make sure we know you're serious, we're gonna bring this in so we don't miss a single noise.
Are you serious? All the extras. Y'all so extra. Y'all are so extra.
Hi, my name's Adam. Welcome to ASMR.
Are you ready for this? Bop, 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 bop. Yes.
Does that have a screen setting?
You did just make a noise.
Did I?
You gasped.
No, I didn't.
Does it have a screen setting? Here, let's see it. What are you doing?
I can't watch it. I can't. I hate spiders. That was awful. It actually made me tear up a little. Because I've been on the show forever, it's just literally stream of consciousness when I'm sitting at this table. You know, whatever comes into my head, say it. Whatever comes into my head, say it. If I have a thought, say it, you know? So this is gonna be way harder than I thought.
Are they all following you? Get the toys. Have a play with them. Pick them up. Have a play with them. Pick them up.
I'm so cute!
Get the toys. Have a play
Pick
with
them
them.
up. Are they trapping you in the corner?
That was so cute.
There's like a lot of cuteness in that video. I almost wanted to say aw, but I didn't.
That's adorable! I waited till I made a sound till after.
Sorry. It's gonna be scary, I know it.
You gasped.
Oh, I did. Oh.
God.
Oh, f***ing sh**.
That was The Exorcist, man. That brought back bad childhood memories.
The scary ones are always gonna get me. I'm too jumpy, and then the cute ones, it's like hard not to say ah to, so I'm just gonna prepare for scary and cute.
You laughed a little bit.
I didn't expect to see words, man.
Ah! Nope, nope, turn it off. I don't want it.
Nope, I'm out. Oh, no. God.
What the What kind of surgery is that? What the
I will never look at a knee the same way a freak again. I can't unsee that.
I've had 2 children. So if you're trying to gross me out with science, that's not gonna happen. It was more like just cutting up chicken, quite honestly.
So for this next one, we'll be taking down the laptop.
Oh, no. If I just make a noise, can it be over and you tell me? I don't know what you're gonna do.
We are actually gonna give you this.
What is in that water?
You have to submerge your hands in this ice water and hold them in for 10 seconds. And remember, you can't make a sound.
10 seconds is gonna be easy.
This is kind of like regular to me though. I do ice baths.
you passed.
I'm glad it wasn't my feet.
That was way more difficult than I imagined it was gonna be.
I've learned to like laugh at my pain, so when it's really cold, I'll start laughing. But I forget that's a noise, so can't do that.
Up next, we have some extreme sour candies, and we've coated them with even more extra sour dust.
You know what? Joke's on you. I love sour.
I suck at both sour and spicy, but because of like Challenge Chalice and other videos we've done here, I've had to eat so many things. I can feel it in my oxygen.
I wanna cry!
Oh, this is hot. Okay. It's the of Satan. I think I've just burned my taste buds off.
I decline that one. I'm not putting anything in my mouth, and it looks like salt instead of sugar.
This is gonna f me up. I already know it. Ready?
Oh god.
Not bad. I like sour.
You talked.
Oh, dang it.
This sour shit, man.
No, ew.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, you can be done now.
That is the first thing I've eaten all day. My stomach's not agreeing.
That was tough, but I trained my brain.
So now we're gonna see if physically shocking you will make you make a noise.
Dude, you guys. I don't want to do this. I refuse. I lose. I don't want to get shocked.
No! I'm 48 years old. I don't do this stupid shit anymore. You guys are smoking crack if you think I'm putting my hands on this motherfucker.
I'm not gonna do this one either.
Now that you've got a grip on this, we're gonna turn this on and eventually you feel a shock.
Oh, ooh, ow.
Why is this a game? No, I don't want to do.
It wasn't even like bad. It's just like the scare tactic. It like gets you because I'm like hoping for it to like not be that bad.
That initial jump, it's like it's tormenting you. It's like I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
And finally, we want you to hold a handful of these worms.
That should be chilling. Like they're not gonna bite me.
Actually,
are these biting worms?
Have the worms crawl in your palms for 10 seconds, all while staying silent, of course. Ready when you are.
I don't want to touch. I don't want to touch my hand. Here's my noise. La 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 la. Nope.
No! I already lost, so grabbing a handful is really no reason. You guys need therapy.
Ooh.
Oh, they're wiggly. Oh, I made a sound.
These worms actually do bite.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm doing this. Oh! Ah! Yeah, no thank you. Oh, that's kind of, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.
All right, you're good. You can put them back.
Whoa. You little creepy crawlers.
Well, you all lost.
Really? What a shocker.
You guys always try to bring in these new f***ing challenges. You know what? I didn't like this one.
I did a lot better than I thought I would, honestly.
I do not do like crawly things. Y'all suck.
This was way easier for me than the laughing one. But I think it's on par with some of the music stuff and things like that. It was good. It was fun.
The videos in the beginning, that was hard for me to do because like I've been trained to just stream of conscious, say anything, show you that I know what I'm talking about, really express the emotion, you know what I mean? And so it's hard not to say anything.
Thanks for watching this episode of Adults React, and shout out to Luke62.
Be sure to subscribe and shout out to Lauren Marie Girl. What's up?
What challenge should we try next? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, Ritu here, producer at FBE. Make sure to follow us on Instagram for a behind-the-scenes look at how we put these episodes together. Follow us at FBE. Bye guys.